I feel like I should be on a tropical beach, maybe in Mexico, with a pina colada, sitting by the ocean, sitting by a pool, sitting anywhere else. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my page. For today's look, I'm doing this look right here. And what started off as a great lavender light brunch look turned into more of like a sultry smoky eye, but we're gonna go with it. You guys want to see how I got this look? Then just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done my brows. I'm gonna brush out my eyelash extensions, the few that are still intact. So I got eyelash extensions the week before we went on quarantine, so kind of defeated the purpose, but it also kind of works out because since I'm not wearing makeup throughout the week, it kind of gives me some kind of something on my face so I don't look so asleep all the time. Today I wanted to use the Morphe 9C Jewel Crew palette, and it's just got really pretty colors. I don't know if you guys can see, and I'm feeling some like purple, light purple, lavender kind of vibes if I was out at brunch type of vibes. This doesn't have a light purple, so I'm gonna dip into my Life's a Drag palette and dip into some of the purple from here, probably Pageant Queen. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna go out with Rock Out, this color here, using my Morphe M573 brush. And I like going in with like dusty colors like this when I use a very I like pastel-y type of colors, just because it helps so that my eye just doesn't look like a clown's eye, and it makes it a little bit more wearable. Now I'm gonna go in with my Life's a Drag palette in Pageant Queen, and this is a very bright purple, and I'm going in with the same brush. And as you can tell, by putting this very, very bright color on top of the more neutral color, it makes it a little bit more wearable. It's not as like bright purple kind of crayon color. See how here I didn't have any other color, and you can see how purple it actually is? It's a true purple. So I'm going to take my concealer brush that I used to carve out my brows, and I don't have any extra product on it. I'm just going to go in with what's left and kind of just mark where I'm gonna do my shimmery color. I'm not doing a cut crease per se, but this is kind of just outlining it. Going in with my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go in with Purple Rain, which is this light lavender purple shade here. Super, super pretty. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M167, which is a flat brush. So shimmery, it's so pretty. I wish I had more of a true lavender matte color to go around and make it nice and soft. Going in back in with my original brush and just kind of buffing out that line here. And then I'm gonna dip into Rich Girl, which is just this dark plum color from that palette here. That same brush. You don't need to use a ton of brushes. And I'm just gonna pop that into these outer corners, just in small circular motions. Should I add a wing? I kind of don't want to add a wing. I think what I'm gonna do is go in with just a dark shadow and just kind of do a mini little like smoked out situation. This little guy here, and I'm gonna dip that into maybe Hidden Gem, this middle color here. This is my e.l.f. flat eyeliner brush. And I'm going to go in with that same Hidden Gem pack it in, and I'm gonna work it closer toward the center of my eye, just right on my lash line, just to give it some dark, a little bit of darkness, just because my lash extensions are like really scarce there. If I was popping on regular lashes, I probably wouldn't do this because the band would probably be thick enough to cover that and give it some darkness here. And I'm just going to blend that a little bit. So I'm gonna do the other eye real quick, and then we can reconvene after I snatch my face. Un momento. Okay, so I did my other eye and I did the rest of my face. My foundation right now is just a little bit too light for me, so I'll try to put more bronzer and try to like match my tan skin right now. So I'm feeling a black eyeliner for the bottom lashes. For the bottom line, I should say. I'm gonna go in with my black eyeliner from Morphe. This is Dark Room. I'm just gonna pop that on my waterline. Ooh, it's not sharpened. Here's my black eyeliner from Makeup Forever that is impossible to remove because it's so amazing. And I'm gonna pop that in the outer corners only. Just trying to connect it to that little smoky wing I got going on. Gives you that like. Next I'm going to go in with that little pencil brush I was using earlier. Okay, and I'm going to go back in with Rich Girl. And pop that on my bottom lashes. So originally I wanted this to be a very light, like brunch type of look, but this is turning out to be more of a nighttime, kind of like semi-sultry, maybe special event type of look. Could be a good prom look. That's so sad. There's not going to be any proms this year. I'm just going to pop some mascara on my bottom lashes. Speaking of prom, I want to do a makeup tutorial, kind of just redoing my prom makeup. I actually really like my prom makeup, and it was basically just one tone of like a deep blue, and I actually really liked it, and I got it done at MAC, so I want to redo it in my way because I think I have the right colors and just kind of, I don't know, trying to reenact prom, I guess. I also loved my hair color for prom. Thinking of like going back to that color. For lips, I'm thinking like not pink, but not nude. So to start with, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Lippy Pencil. This is the shade BFF. Do you guys like your prom makeup look? Like, would you do it differently, or like, oh, what should do? I feel like it would be fun for people to show me like their prom looks, makeup looks anyway, and then I try to recreate them with whatever my own twist is. I'm gonna go in with my Jared Cosmetics 1995 because it's somewhere between a nude and a pink, and I have really, really pretty nude pink, but I can't find it. So this is gonna be it. See how like it's a really nice like nude pink, but it's not too pink and it's not too nude and it's not too brown. It's 1995. It's a great color. Going in with my Revolution Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Vow. And this is just a very true, cool nude. I'm just popping that in the center. And then taking my finger and just stabbing it. And that kind of just creates a little bit of dimension in the lips, and I feel like it makes them look just a little bit more pouty. Highlighter. Going in with my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in Hustler Baby. This is my Makeup Shack T43. I used to use this to kind of put in my transition color, but then I realized this is probably a little too big for my eyes, so it's become a really good highlighter brush. And by it's become a really good highlighter brush, I mean I used it yesterday and it worked really well, so I'm going to use it again today. with this guy here. So pretty. It's got peachy pink rose gold tones, so I think it look really pretty with this look. I really like multi-dimensional color highlighters because I feel like they blend out a little bit better, so it doesn't just look like you got a white line on your cheek, because I've got some that look like that and my mom was always like, why do you have that white line on you? Oh, highlighter, Mom. Yes. I'm feeling a little on the inner corners too. I'm gonna take my inner corner brush. There. It's like, do you see what that did? Just right there. Yes. A bit on the brow bone. Done. We set this baby and get a different pair of clothes. Alright guys, so that's today's look. I feel like I should be on a tropical beach, maybe in Mexico, with a pina colada, sitting by the ocean, sitting by a pool, sitting anywhere else. I really feel like going to Palm Springs once this is all done and over with and quarantine has been lifted and we can all go back to our lives. I want to go to Palm Springs and just sit by a pool and drink pina coladas, because that sounds amazing. But anywho, I'm probably going to just sit in my backyard because that's all I can really do at this point. So that's today's look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you guys would be interested in doing that prom look kind of recreation tutorial. And yeah, hopefully I'll have some more videos for you guys. I've been working on some stuff that hopefully you guys enjoy. And that's all I got. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.